Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How's it going?
That's fine.
Awesome, awesome.
We are talking about, first introduce myself. I'm Sumaya Siddika. I'm
Mm-hmm.
from MSS Digital Hub, head of the marketing manager.
Uh-huh.
We have provide all the digital marketing services.
Uh-huh.
And right now we are talking about your YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Your channel content is very nice, but your channel is not properly optimized.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the SEO is not optimized, yeah.
Yeah. If you optimize your channel's video and promote your channel in organic process, then you will definitely get more view, like, subscriber, watch hours, and it's organic.
Uh-huh.
It's a manual process. We are also providing YouTube video SEO service and also provide YouTube promotion service that's bring lots. You get a lot like view, subscriber, watch hour, and definitely your video grow more.
So with the SEO,
SEO means
what you're saying is you're gonna optimize the SEO for our YouTube channel?
yeah, definitely. Doing two types of SEO. First, one on-page SEO and off-page SEO.
Mm-hmm.
On-page SEO means I work on your YouTube channel. Like
Mm-hmm.
I work on your description area. Input. First, I research your channel content-related keyword using various or research content related videos and content related video tag keyword and input your tag volume area and description area. Then
Mm-hmm.
I will do off page SEO. Off page SEO means I will promote your video like content related people, various social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, Pinterest, and other social media, top of the social media. As a result, when I complete two types of SEO, your channel definitely grow more.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a
As
manual
of right
process.
now, I think we want to focus more on our YouTube. So that's the main platform that we want to grow on. We are not like at the moment we're not too like worried about growing on all channels. I guess like what I'm trying to say is what we care most about right now is YouTube. So if we can get like our YouTube optimized, I think that's a good place to start, and then we can start adding on other like once we master that, then we will go ahead and work on other platforms, if that makes sense for you. But yeah, that is where we want to start. We have worked with people previously who did SEO optimization for our YouTube, but I guess we didn't get the result that we wanted, so we canceled. So that's one more thing to know. If you are kind enough to offer one video for us and we see how like if it'll perform any different, then we will go from there.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Just
Yeah.
send screenshot of your video. I need your channel manager or editor access.
Access.
When I do on page SEO, I need your
The access. Okay. I will go because I'm not the owner of the YouTube channel. I have to run it by the owner itself
Mhm.
and see what they say and if that's something that they want to do.
Okay.
And then I guess I will follow up with you on that.
Okay, no problem. And if you are not able to give access, then I will do off page SEO for and
Pages you.
yeah, and how the result coming. Then you will
Mhm.
discuss more, and then you can do more video
Yeah.
on page and
Yeah.
off page both is.
Yeah.
I think it's
Sounds great.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So
Thank you so much, Sumaya.
uh,
I hope that we can work together. I will run it by Ramin and see what he decides. And then I also have to figure out when our next video is going up so I can let you know. I think if I let you know a day in advance of when the video is going out, is that enough time for you or do you need more time?
okay, send me your a screenshot which video want to optimize or
Mm-hmm.
write your video title. Then I will find out which video you want to optimize, and
Okay.
definitely I will do my best.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Sounds good. Thank you so much, Sumaya.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Have
You
a
have a
great
good one.
day.
Bye. You too.
Take care.